We should be live, baby. Let's go. Man, why is AMC at 29.30? It was at 34 the other day. Why does it have to be down? GameStop 159. We have, what, 45 seconds till the market opens. CPI, if I'm not mistaken, came in at 6.8. That's the first headline I saw. Let's go to the labor website. Labor statistics. Where is it at? Here we go. It's going on Stacks a lot. Millionaire. Oh, wow. It actually keeps my highlights that I did like a month ago, right? That's interesting. Let's erase this. Yeah, 6.8. So the market ripped up, if I'm not mistaken. Let's go see the SPY because I think expectations were a bit higher than the highest we had was zero point 0.9. June and October we had zero point 0.8. So we're at 6.8 year over year. See what came in hot. Energy, gas out here is insane. I can't believe it. I'm literally every time I fill up, I'm paying like 5.20 a gallon. It's insane. Yeah. Let's see. Where's the used cars? I'm curious. 2.5. June it was at 10.5%. Wow. What's going on? Peppered with salt. GameStop's ripping before AMC is. Usually it's the other way around. Interesting. 162, 29. Actually, let's go to Tesla real quick. I want to set up an alert on that. Because this one tapped 973. I have a couple of alerts, but let's see. Go back to GME. Jacob, what's going on? Good morning. Sporting Ruben. Where you been? Been taking tests. I have two finals left, guys. Two finals. I got the hardest ones I would say out of the way. And I was nervous because I had a 94% in my econ class. I did the math exam. The final was 25%. What is this? And yeah, I had to get at least 47 questions correct out of the 60, which was like a 77% to at least retain my A. I got 50 correct. Oh man, what a relief. All right, let's see. Let's open up Twitter really quick because Twitter is the best with just like the speed of it is really fast with news compared to like Thinkorswim. Thinkorswim takes a while to up. Are the charts fine? Or am I too zoomed out? Let's go to Twitter. Sometimes I question the credibility of the news that comes out on Twitter sometimes. Let's see. See what's trending. Go spy really quick. Yeah, look at this. This was 5:30 when the print comes out and we ripped to 470. And the high, if I'm not mistaken, is a 90? No, it's 74. 73.54. For some reason I thought we were close to 500. I think Goldman Sachs was predicting 500 in next year. Tesla pulling back down. Beautiful. There we go. Sub 1000. You can see those stop losses. Those stop losses going off here at 1000. I think the main consensus is Tesla's going to stay around 1000 for quite some time. Just hover around there unless they do a split. Would you guys love to see a split on Tesla? Come on, AMC 28. What are we doing here? Nothing financially related is trending on Twitter. Oh, there we go. 6.8% November. And they have a picture of the gas prices at 3.56 and 3.99. They should be showing $5. It's Friday and it's almost 5 p.m. What's that saying? It's always 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. somewhere. Mm, also, like, there's like this huge gap between the rates and the actual CPI. It's like the largest gap I think we've ever had, if I'm not mistaken. You guys can probably go on Fred and plot that. Let's see. Ortex, that's something else we're going to be pulling up right now. Adam Aaron is selling more shares. Who knows, man? We don't know. He might be selling more. Maybe he's busting on Elon Musk. This is a pattern I've seen with Tesla the last couple of days. I'm kind of scared to touch Tesla, and it happens around the same time. I'm telling you, last Friday when we went live, it happened. Like it collapsed, and we ended it early too. I said, "Be careful." Look at this. This was last Friday. We were around 1,000, 83, 86. And it happens right around an hour and a half into market open. There's like this massive collapse. So if you're trading it, just be very careful because this has been consistent lately. And usually I like to think it's that Elon Musk is selling. Nice bounce here on Tesla. Look at these bounces. Beautiful. Go back to GameStop. 158. All right. Or wow, Ortex looks different. I think Ortex got like an update. Let's see. Rob, have you logged into your Ortex account? Let's see if I know how to work this now. Let me see. Where is it at? Look at this, guys. It's different. This doesn't look like before. My universe. What's my universe? Gainers, winners, losers, headlines. Oh, there we go. Short interest. AMC. I think it was at 19%. 17 still. 17.2% SI still. I believe this has not changed for quite some time. Go to GameStop. Did you see the new tweet that Tara B is the new owner of AMC? No. I'll probably pull it up right now. Let's see. Mm, shorts right here, right? Yeah, 12.64. Should be this line, right? Oh, I think it has too many lines. Where is it at? It should be this one. Because this one was 120% back in January up. At least his big drop. Morning Elmo, who is Tara B. It's that one chick on Twitter. I think she has like an OnlyFans, and she gets a lot of like hate for that. I think we talked. I think she was brought up on this channel a while ago. There it is. Tesla and AMC falling. AMC 28. Tesla 996 again. Look at these bounces and immediately followed by a new low. This was happening yesterday too. I was noticing this. 28, 27 AMC going down to retest these, or this wasn't even a pre-market low. This was just like a whack wick here pre-market. It's GameStop following 157. Let's see, Taro Bull Twitter. She's not popping up. Maybe she blocked me. I don't know. Oh, Marantz is here. I think Marantz would know who Taro Bull is. Oh, there it is. Let's see. Let's see. I found her. Oh, they were talking about the Mr. Charles Payne, supposedly that he got hacked or something. Well, his account is still up. Here you go. I'll pull up his account, but apparently he's not able to log in. So this is him. December 5th was his last tweet. Apparently he can't log in because I don't know. They're being shady. Twitter's being shady. Charles Payne, one of our loudest proponents for AMC stock and fair market, has been locked out of his account at Twitter support. But they were saying that was also a distraction to not put light on Adam Aron selling them. There we go. 28.01 AMC new low. GameStop still 157. Oh, why am I getting a call right now? From a friend I know. That's weird. 6:30. Should I answer? It's kind of weird. Oh my God. Stop calling me. Tesla 997. I'm gonna wait on this bad boy. I think we could see new lows on Tesla. AMC looks like it wants to crack 28. Yep, it did just crack. It cracked the stop losses. We're at 27.89. Oh, there it is. See, this is Mr. Adam selling the 10B51. And a lot of people were saying uh, on yesterday's video, oh, Adam Aaron told us he was gonna sell. Can you guys still see? My screen's black. Yeah, I think you guys can. Oh, Mr. Adam Aaron was gonna sell. He told us this a couple months ago. It's like if I were to tell you right now, hey, I'm gonna go rob a store, and I come back and I rob the store. Does that, will you guys say, oh, Ralph's fine because he told us he was robbing the store beforehand? He told us on the stream. He's good. He's okay. That's the way I think of it. That's the way I see it. It doesn't make sense. Good morning, Pam. It's about time those AMC holders dump it like their CEO did. Do lies. He would sell those unvested shares if they let him. How many shares does he have? I know Sean Goodman has like 0 shares left. He's a better trader than Adam Aaron. He executed, I think, at 39 or $40 a share. Adam sold at 30.86. Jim Cramer just killed AMC on CNBC, and supposedly Adam Aaron and Jim Cramer are buddies, right? Is it still live or did that just happen? I don't think it makes sense for me to try to pull it up. It's probably already over, right? He's talking about Lululemon, if I could see correctly. On my glasses. Yeah.
They've got that dispute over Mirror with Peloton, which today... Oh my God.
No, I think he's probably done grilling. Unless I find a clip on Twitter or something. Oh, it's over? It's Adam Aaron calling you? It's funny because her name starts with an A. The AA batteries. That's what Morant's. Is Morant's going live today? That's what I need to know. Yesterday I couldn't even study. I was watching Morant's. I stand with CEO Adam and believe he will do what's best for us. AMC. That's a terrible tweet. Let's see the replies. CEO Adam is playing both sides of the fence. He will keep dumping shares as soon as he gets them. He has probably dumped 100 million in shares already and will keep dumping them. He's just tagging us along to keep us interested. That's the first reply. So just comparing the sentiment that I see now on Twitter to like the sentiment or the tweets we saw back like in March, it's very different now, by the way. Like you're actually starting to see apes and people start to realize what's going on, and they're not afraid to talk about it. Because earlier this year there wasn't really a lot of like these type of tweets on your chest. That's what he's doing. 2.9 million, 99K at the moment. Thank you, man. So there we go. GameStop 156. I want to see him buy some shares. That's what I want to see. It's on the AMC Discord. I think I got kicked from that. Are you talking about like the official AMC Discord? Guys, there's like this Discord. I don't know if it's still around. I'm pretty sure it is. It had like 30,000 members and they were all AMC shareholders. Do you guys see the problem with that? Do you guys see the problem with an AMC Discord? With here we go. AMC's about to crack to new low as we speak. New low 2781. Do you guys see the problem with the Discord of that magnitude? And they're all AMC shareholders. They all believe in AMC. I remember I went in there and I said something negative and I got kicked. That's a big problem. It's a massive echo chamber. You can't have like discussions about the stock or anything or any of your ideas because you get automatically kicked if you don't believe in what they believe in. You can't have what I think Ray Dalio calls like thoughtful disagreement. That's not an environment you want to foster. Nah, he's not going live. He's out of work. But I don't even use AA batteries. No, I wasn't quoting Morantz. I'm just reading her Twitter feed. Morning, Kyoto. 156 GameStop. AMC is at 27. I don't know. It keeps on it keeps on pulling back down. I just noticed his times and sales was frozen. There we go. 27.77. Nasdaq's coming down. We should see Tesla pull back down. There we go. 996. Be patient with this one. AMC new low. AMC Reddit said that insiders selling other shares. That's exactly what I said yesterday. They're gonna spin it off, and I don't know how they're gonna make that be bullish. Like, yes, I understand. Adam Aaron said, "I'm gonna sell," but the reason was like ridiculous. I'm not well diversified. This guy has a family. He has kids. He's 60, I don't know, 7, 8. He studied at Harvard. He has experience. You think he's not well diversified? You guys believe that? You guys really believe that? The next decent run on AMC, and I'm dropping the last of my $9 shares. I mean, at that point, at $9, I don't know if AMC will see $9. I mean, at the end of the day, within time, years, I think Warren Buffett says everything hits its value, undervalued, overvalued. So I don't really know what the fair value is of AMC. Maybe 15, $20. But I would have wished I would have sold my 30 at 34. That was like the plan. Sell into the little pop at 30s. I didn't think we were going to be dropping this hard. As we speak, AMC is dropping to new lows. 27, 23. What was the low before? 25, 28. This is just nasty. 25, 30. I'm only a couple bucks away. And you guys know when AMC starts to sell off, oh boy, it starts to drop. There we go. 27.14, 27.09. It's about to crack 27. Look at these stop losses. Let's see if they pop off here at 27. 26.92. You can kind of see GameStop reacting to AMC pulling back down. Here's the heat map. Tesla is coming down as well. I'm assuming Nasdaq's dropping hard. Yep. Looks like that little CPI pop we had pre-market is just getting ate up again. Tesla has been really predictable. It pays to be patient with this stock. GameStop's low yesterday was 151. We're only like $1.47 away from that. Adam Aaron only has his money with Kenny. We never know, man. That's one thing we'll probably never know. And I'll never forget the whole Mudrick situation. You guys remember that? Back like in, was it May, June? When it ran up? Gonna be a very heavy day for trading, for AMC trading. Is there anybody also here just scalping this, swing trading this? Because these dips, if you're not invested or you're just like a swing trader, they're opportunities. They're opportunities. I mean, we had a 25 bounce to 33. That's a decent uh profit per share. Damn, it's really cold out here. I'm freezing. Point 14 insiders, ownership AMC, GameStop ownership 0.17, and they're not dumping. GameStop was 72.2 sold show yesterday. Is that like the super stonk data, or is that the shortinterest.com data? Not the super stonk, the stonko tracker. Did you guys see Elon Musk tweet last night? I swear he wants Tesla to fall and crash. He tweeted, "I'm thinking about quitting my jobs and becoming a full-time influencer." How is that great for Tesla? Let's see if this is on the news tab here. I don't see it. More stock sales late Thursday, so he's still selling. There was like this speculation, right, about 12/9 yesterday, December 9th, that there was going to be a split. See 12/9, 12/9. Nothing really happened. And the stock is still falling. Pre-market low being 973. Let's see if we see that test today. SPY pulling back still. Yup. Oh, look at that drop here. Go to the Russell. I can't type. GameStop 152. I already jumped in on ANC Marantz. I put it in the Discord last week. I was expecting a 35 bounce. So we saw what, 34. This was the move here to sell. Cold in California, that's probably summer weather in most. Oh, absolutely. I had a friend come out here from Minnesota, and what we considered cold was like nothing to him. AMC is at the bottom. I don't know. I don't know if 2683 is going to be the low today. The last time we hit 25, we had retested the previous low, which was like 2683. And look at that, it came down like $1 from there. And it looks like we're on the same path right now. Let's see. Who is this guy? Oh yeah, they're just replying to I thought Adam Aaron tweeted, but no, this was his tweet yesterday, December 9. AMC stock had the seventh highest number of Google searches in the US in 2021. Clearly, interest in AMC theaters has been incredibly high. Is there any good movies out, by the way? Like, I love going to the movies. I love going to the movies, but it's a whole different thing when you're talking about investing in a stock. You are a multimillionaire, and I assume you aren't in need of any money, so why do you keep selling AMC shares? Don't tell me about your pension plans because we know you are good off your shares, but with what happened to Solidarity, with the very people that saved AMC, very strange behavior. I don't even follow this guy. Why am I getting it recommended? That's weird. $154, nice little bounce. Are we seeing a bounce in the market? The Tesla. Yeah, there's a couple bounces going on here. Back to GameStop. DWAC, guys, was another one that woke up. I think, yeah, on Wednesday. This one ran up 69.49 high after hours. It's coming down to 57. I had my eyes on this one. I have a ton of alerts, as you can tell, because I find it very interesting that after the 175 run it had here and it just consolidated around 50, it just stayed quiet. It reminded me of GameStop when it had hit like 400 and it came down. It was just kind of trading sideways. You guys remember that? When it was at 47 and then it just ramped back up to 200? That's what I kind of thought would happen with this stock again. And that happened Wednesday and I'm like, damn, it might happen. So this is another one that I'm kind of watching, but the volume isn't there right now. GameStop 154, AMC 2754. Let's see what else do we have here. More tweets about inflation, highest in nearly 40 years at 6.8%. Do you guys remember all those other meme stocks that were popping off June, July? Like Spirit or Support, right? Oh, no, what happened with this one? I think this one turned into a different ticker. I don't remember. You guys remember? Support. When Wendy's was another one. There was a handful of those stocks. BlackBerry. I wonder where they're at now. I haven't gotten any alerts for them. We're seeing a nice bounce here. Looks like we're in consolidation mode for AMC and GameStop. GameStop 155. GREE. Look at this. No volume. Just kind of died down. GameStop and AMC are still the kings. They're still retaining their interest. Yeah, it's almost gonna be like the 1 year anniversary. Let's see, where are there Chipotle? I haven't eaten Chipotle in a minute, a couple days. Analyst call of the day, pro subscribers. Chipotle has a buy and raises its price target of the stock to 2,280 from 2,180. Elon Musk just sold another 963 million in stock. I think this year is like the highest, like the year where most CEOs sold stock. I think you had what? You had Bezos selling a lot. You had that one guy from Microsoft selling a lot. It was like the pumping up of the day for a while with all of those. I feel bad for anybody who still held those their shares, especially if they bought at the high levels and they didn't cut their losses. At that point, you're just hoping for it to come back. Next week is the 4-year anniversary of when the previous Bitcoin bubble popped. Really? I'm assuming this is when we went from like 19K to like 6K when it dropped. I'm assuming it was that. All right, here comes a true test, guys. We had a nice bounce on AMC and GameStop, but are they gonna hold their levels here, or are they gonna come back down to new lows? Let's see. I'm gonna have some alerts just in case. Oh my gosh, now I'm getting her Tara. I don't even follow this chick, and I'm getting her tweets on my feed. I didn't sell at 5. I didn't sell at 72. I'm not selling at 30. AMC squeeze. I'm going live Sunday for I'm assuming the Cowboys game on Sunday. Marantz, I'm telling you, Marantz, we need to go to the World Cup 2026 when it's here. It's gonna be in USA, Canada, and Mexico. We need to go. How anyone who's on GameStop bash AMC, they can see it in their own freaking eyes. This are the same effing stock. That's true. We've been saying this. They moved together. I mean, there was only a couple instances, like a couple months ago, where they weren't trading like to the candle, like tick by tick. But apparently, to me right now, we're looking the same. It's trading the same pattern, same movement. Even almost like BlackBerry. They're looking the same. Heat map check. You guys remember those days where we'd go to the heat map and it'd just be red all over? I miss those days. All right, here we go. Looks like we're still holding these support levels. Not too bad. So, so Morantz will represent U.S. and Mexico, and you will represent Canada. No, I do want to go visit Canada. Here we go. GameStop 156. That candle touched 156. AMC's waking up now. Looks like it might tap 28. We're seeing nice signs of a recovery here. Looks like people are coming in to buy the dip. Oh, Tesla's coming down. It tapped that low of the day here, right around 982, but it bounced. Let's see. Oh, definitely fun. Saxel, I agree. The fundamentals are drastically different. Management different. Industry different. I'll go with you. Promise. World Cup 2026. There we go. What? Kyoto tipped me 20K yesterday. I have the funds coming for World Cup tickets. US dollars. Is it using in US dollars or what? I think you're trolling me right now. I personally don't think there will ever be a Moaz, says Saxalot. I don't know. It's gonna be a year already. I don't know how long this is gonna pan out. But one thing I mentioned earlier this year was the opportunity cost. Opportunity cost. There's nothing free out here. Yen, right? I knew it. I knew it. I mean, there's other plays out there that you could potentially be missing if you're all invested in one stock. And I've seen that sentiment across Reddit, across Twitter, especially when you have inflation at 6.8%. And think about the pension funds. They're getting destroyed. They're getting wrecked. If Moranson wants to say $20,000, that's fine with me. Well, he didn't put the dollar sign in front of the 20K, so that's why I kind of assumed. Here we go, GameStop testing 156 again. Canada. Oh, no, no, no. Don't sleep on Canada, brother. Canada doesn't usually make the World Cup playoffs. No, are you watching the World Cup qualifiers, Marantz? Canada is leading the group. It's US number 2 and Mexico 3. Mexico's on the border with Costa Rica. Like, there's a chance Mexico can miss the playoffs if I mean the World Cup if they don't step it up in the next coming home games in March. I want to go to that game, by the way, in March. Here we go. GameStop, what a rip. 159. AMC 20. Look at these rips. Look at these candles. Talk about these stocks move together. Look at that. And I don't think that's something we saw the other day we hit 25. We didn't see these rips, these bounces. So it's nice to see on a Friday that we're seeing some type of momentum. The last thing you want is these stocks to crater down back to their lows. I've heard about that as well. A controlled squeeze. So the apes want crash the market. Wall Street is taking advice from the apes. All right, I'm getting more AMC tweets. AMC sells, yeah, whatever. CFO sells 18,000 shares. John Goodman. How do you apes feel about AMC to 3,000 now? Even the executives are leaving you holding the bag. Stock Talk Weekly says, whoever that is. Let's see what people are saying. The stock will never hit 50 again. It will be lucky to hit 40 ever again. It'll trade between $10 and $20 next year, closer to 10. Even if AMC went to like $10, I think there'll be a good chance for it to like ramp back up to 30. AMC to 3,000 was never gonna happen. Uh, I agree with your point behind this, but to be fair, he literally told all shareholders he was doing this months ago. Here we go again with that crap. That he was 72 years old and diversifying his assets. I think like half of his pay is in shares or something like that. Still, the MOAS will never happen. Um, it's always good to follow people who have like different viewpoints than you. It's like if I want Tesla to go to a million, I don't want to surround myself with people who also think the way I do, right? I want to consult other people, their viewpoints, the opposite side of the trade, and just have again thoughtful disagreement. I think that helps a lot. Yeah, he says 72. I don't think he's 72. I think he's like 67. No, I didn't see the group play. You should, man. Canada is promising country. They're definitely, I think, gonna qualify for the World Cup. The U.S. didn't qualify for Russia in 2018. They lost. I don't even want to go back. They lost to like Trinidad and Tobago. They underestimated them, man. They underestimated them. All they needed to do was get a tie to qualify, and they lost 2-1. Oh man, US isn't even that bad soccer. They're not. USA should be like in the ranks of like England or Spain. Like they have the talent here. If they actually got more support for the sport, the USA would probably be much higher ranked. Compare this year's squad to like a couple years ago. All young players. They're all playing abroad. Pulisic. They're playing England, Germany, the Netherlands. They have the talent. I mean, look at Mexico. They're playing with older folks, and they're getting destroyed. I'll look into the tickets. We need like 6 tickets for a Mexico game, and you can bring someone. I'll bring hedge funds. To his 2 sons and daughter. The Mexico game for the World Cup. Imagine that at Mexico. It's gonna be a party out there. The comments on your video last night. Every comment on my video last night was FUD, you're a shell. He told us he was selling. He told us he was selling. Oh wait, he told us he was selling a couple months ago. A couple months ago, he told us he was selling. That's not the point. That's not the point. 2751 AMC coming back down. This is where we're testing the support levels again. We had a nice little pop here, but again, watch these support levels. That's what you need for a reversal. You need support. LeBron is playing soccer now. I don't know. That dude has been pretty sus. I don't watch basketball, but I've seen like clips of him. You guys, who's that one player he got in a fight with on the court the other day? The guy he punched or he elbowed, and he actually looked scared. LeBron looked scared. I don't know who it was. And there was a couple courtside people who were there watching LeBron play, and they were actually like taunting him or telling him things. And LeBron actually told the ref like, "Hey, these guys are distracted," and they kicked him out. I would be mad, man, if I'm paying 10, 15K for courtside tickets. I don't want a refund. You best believe. Moran saying going to Mexico, he's too paranoid. He'll be having dreams. Nothing's gonna happen. Oh wait, the game isn't in the U.S. I don't know. It's gonna be shared in between Canada, United States, and Mexico. But I assume like the Mexico games, they're gonna be at home. Like the first game, like in Russia, was obviously Russia, and I forgot who they played, but they played at home and they won. I think it was Croatia. That lady says she wished LeBron's son dies in a car wreck. Oh, really? I don't know what she said. But if that's the case, and I'm with LeBron on that one. The games in Mexico will be a huge party. Oh man, Mexico always sells out stadiums. Sometimes I think like these games are rigged and they give the advantage to Mexico. It's all money, baby. Mexico fills these stadiums up. It'll be like in 90% Mexico fans and like 10% whoever they're playing. I mean, like the final here, USA, Mexico, and Vegas. I went to it. 95%, 97% Mexico fans. And that's just like a Gold Cup. Imagine the World Cup being at home. I'd pay anything for those tickets. Barefoot driving? How are you not cold? We are playing we are playing wait out for the squeeze. Who can last longer? Let's see. When is my library booking? Because I booked one of those study groups. Oh man, I'll probably I shouldn't knock it till I try it, right? Those Crocs, should I get some Crocs? What's the hype with the Crocs? How much are a pair of those things? They say they look 40, 50 bucks. Are they really comfortable? I mean, they look like bricks, but here we go, man. AMC coming down again. Are you kidding me? 27 again? We're only 20 cents away from the lows. That's the problem. We can't hold. Let's see. These buyers coming in here towards the lows. I don't like seeing green and then like these blocks of red coming right after. There we go. The selling pressure's there. What happened to Tesla? Holding support. Now, this might not be a bad one. Let's see. Nasdaq bounced and the SPY bounced. David says, I think AMC is dead. I don't think it's dead. Obviously, we still have volume coming in here. There's still demand for the stock. I mean, we just compared like Spurt, right? Like this is dead. Look, that's dead to me. Look at the times in sales. Look, compare the times in sales between the stocks. One's dead and one is it. I don't think they're both dead. There's obviously a lot of interest in it, a lot of activity still, and it's been 1 year. Will that change in the next 12 months? I don't know. I think the VIX is going green today. What's the VIX at? Still 30s? 20s. Came crashing right back down. Set alerts. I would say so, Saxel. I agree. 47 degrees. I'm army strong. Man, it's like it goes under 70 and I'm freezing. Last month cryptos puke on CPI beat. This month cryptos puke on CPI meet. Next month cryptos puke on CPI miss. What did Bitcoin do? That's interesting too. 32 degrees here. Let's see. I don't know about this AMC action here, to be honest. It's like I don't like the fact that it went to 28.68 and then like 7 minutes it's back down to 27. I don't know if that's setting us up for a new low today. Should we just cut the L? .46 degree. NC, North Carolina. 7 degrees here sucks to be Wait, Rob. Speaking of Texas, who was out there? Adam Aaron, I think, is gonna be out there for you. I think. Was I dreaming? I'm not dreaming of Adam Aaron. Am I? There's no way. Tesla's, by the way, trending on Twitter. I think Adam Aaron said he was gonna be in Dallas, right? Or am I just, or is Adam Aaron just living rent free in my head? No, who was gonna be in Dallas? I'm having like this crazy deja vu right now. There's something about Dallas, Texas. Jesus. Was it Adam Aaron? Or am I dreaming, guys? I can't believe it. And as we speak, AMC looks like it wants to crack to a new low. There we go. Love seeing the green come in here. People buying the dip at 27. I'm really losing it. I can't wait. I'm tripping out right now. I'm tripping myself out. Trump in Dallas on December. No. There's something with AMC. I could have sworn that I saw a tweet that Adam Aaron was gonna be in Dallas or something. No, it's not. It's Trey. Trey, there we go. I think it was Trey, yeah. He's gonna be in Dallas, I think he said. I knew I wasn't crazy. I knew how to do something with AMC. So he's gonna do I guess he's doing like a meet and greet out there. I was like, Rob, why don't you stop by and meet up with them and the folks that are gonna be there? No, it wasn't Trump though, but I guess he's gonna be there too, right? AMC, look at the sea of red on the times and sales. Do we crack to a new low? Do we come to $23? Guys, if we crack 25, I best believe, I really believe 100% that we're going to $20. It's gonna suck. There we go. It's in the crack. New low. Dun 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 dun. Yes, indeed. New low, guys. 2680. Let's see the buyers come on in. Save us. Save us. Oh man, this beautiful rip here for nothing. All right, there we go. See how GameStop reacts. It's probably gonna take some time for it to actually come down. AMC 2666. The devil's number. There we go. 65, 64. Trey and the Fab Four gonna meet up with Robert Brown for the sauna video. It's a steam room, not the sauna. There it is. GameStop reacting 153. Like so looks like we had some buyers come on in here for AMC at 20 mid 26 level. Keep in mind the low was once again 25.31. $1.30 away. Oh, 1 year. I think that's what it is, like a 1 year anniversary for the channel. Trey in Dallas. Um, I think he said next week. I'm not sure. It's on his Twitter. I just noticed. I think yeah, he got verified. That's interesting. He's verified on Twitter. I guess there's like a lot of people. I think one time like a fake, like a football, like a professional football player, tried to impersonate him. That was hilarious. He's gonna be Saturday, so tomorrow. Yeah, gonna be headed out to Dallas, Texas this weekend to film a 1 year anniversary of the channel video special. If anybody interested, Clyde Warren Park at 2 p.m. for an hour or two, 2 p.m. CST. Would love to meet some faces. Mr. Robert Brown. That's your sign. Or maybe Ruben, yeah. Come on, AMC, don't break, don't break, don't break. GameStop 153. Let's take a look. Oh, so this did rip a little bit here to 995. I thought we would actually come back up to like 1,000, but let's see. Is it gonna hold? This was like the same setup we played last Friday. You guys remember last Friday we saw this similar setup? It came crashing down and then it had a nice little bounce. And the same day too, Friday. Look at this. It was here at window 40. We bought in at 40, I believe, and we sold. I'm glad we sold because look at this. It closed at new lows. Ah, man, it's doing the same thing. Ripping. All right, let's see if it can break. GameStop 152.90. AMC ripping off the lows of 26.62. We're back at 27, baby. Oh man, there's no way it left us. Shit. Same play, man. Missed it. Oh my gosh, another massive green candle here on AMC. Can I throw eggs at him? I don't know. Oh my man, this is bothering me. It just hit 1,000 and broke 1,000. How did I miss this? Not happening, haha. I'd be throwing truth at him, then probably have to defend him from my fanboys. Well, you are in Texas, Rob. Maybe after AMC hits back under $5 and you trade 2.0 up here and pump it back up to 2022. I don't think AMC's gonna ever go under $10. Like to be honest, like I don't think people will let it. Like the ape community will probably not let AMC fall under $10, to be honest. That's gonna be very, very difficult. I see low 20 next week. I do see 20s. There's a possibility it could hit 20 if it cracks like 25. That's like the next level we had, the next resistance level we had before it just ripped into 70 right here. It was 2052. So it could come to 20, hold support there. That's bullish and bounce off of there. But for now, it's just like a waterfall or coming down. It's a big test, absolutely. Let's see how strong those diamond hands are and who actually buys because you need buying pressure. Moderna. Forgot about that stock. I actually like this stock. It was at look at all these alerts that I had at 440 because I thought we were going above 500. It just flopped. This one has been getting a lot of news lately. Been a lot of press on this. Hence why you see these massive, look at this. Gap down, gap down. Gap down, gap down, gap up, gap up, gap down. That's insane. It's hard to keep track of all those gaps. Yeah, what time do you think the gaps are gonna close? Some support around 220. Tesla is still at 1,000. Is still gonna keep on pushing. Man, oh man. Same play, same day. Just 1 week later. AMC still at 27. GameStop at 155. It has that W pattern for me right here. That George W. Oh my god, I'm getting Jackson Hunter tweets recommended on my Twitter. My conviction is so high with AMC and GameStop, you would think I was a politician. 11 hours ago. Oh, and Morant's replied. The first reply on that tweet is Morant's. Hey Hunter, you still pushing AMC shit stock? CEO Adam Aaron fooled all you guys again. That's hilarious. I think this Jackson guy's from LA too. I think he stays out here. Maybe one day we'll run into. Yeah, look at this Los Angeles musician. Oh, wow, he has a lot of followers. 40,000 followers. He has some influence. Day one and come on, brother, you can't be doing this. This is weird. I have think or swim. I know what's up. I guess he's holding for 193 days, but when you click this, he blurs out the price it's at, his profit loss at the day. But yeah, he did. I wonder why. I think he's trading options on GameStop. It might not, but I wonder why he blurred out the name here. He could be holding one share of AMC and one share of GameStop. That's another possibility. That's interesting. Does anybody even realize this? Because I don't think a lot of people have Think or Swim. Interesting. This guy Hillionaire is delusional. No disrespect, just saying you're a believer. What did he say? Oh, that he thinks AMC is going to 20, low 20s. Ralph, go to his Instagram for great laughs. Jackson Hunters. Don't tell me it's like music videos or something. AMC, as we speak, it's ripping up. Oh, he's like an artist. I respect the hustle, man. I might not like the music, but to each their own. All right, we'll see what happens with AMC. If we crack to new lows, I might have to just cut the L on this one. Stupid for not me not selling when we hit the 30s, the mid 30 level. And GameStop is at 155. If I only have one share of GME, what is wrong with that? It only takes one ticket to retire. I don't know. I think like you'd expect him to have more. Since this whole thing with the revenue on YouTube and people showing how much they make on YouTube, it's like it's you kind of get me. You would expect somebody who believes in it to have more, I guess. But also, it all depends on like your financial, like where you're at financially. And if you have one share, then you obviously believe that GameStop should be going to like 100,000 a share. Crypto regulated in India. I'm not sure if this is a bot. Sanam. Oh yeah, Robert Brown. Thank you for that. I think that was a bot, right? Dave Lar guy. Big news just came across Bloomberg. The Department of Justice is set to pursue broad probe into hedge fund short selling. That just came out like a couple minutes ago. No, they think AMC will bounce into the moon. By the way, Ralph, F you and them Island Boys. I ruined my show yesterday. I thought you would have a field day, a great laugh about that. It was just, I thought it was funny. The Island Boys. We're gonna have to have one from our aunts, GameStop boys. Shill, 100K a share, a million a share. Seven a.m. Yeah, this came out a couple minutes ago. If you guys want to read this, I'm gonna link it in the Discord. I'm gonna put it in our channel and then Marantz's channel. Oh, you saw Lambo. Sacks a lot. That's a Huracan Evo. I just saw this right now. David, what's going on, brother? I read on Twitter today that one share of GameStop was going to be worth $1 million. An honest, genuine conversation between two people about one share. You tagged me in that one tray, tweet, no, Dave? Oh, no, it was the Island Boys. That's where I found out about the Island Boys. It's because David tagged me on it. And then Mr. Trey's assistant, this alpaca guy, is always just on my ass. Ralph, you're back. There we go. AMC, after two little pops here, promising spikes, we're coming back down to 27. I don't know, guys. I don't know if this is going to come down under 26 today, under 25. We testing lows. All hell breaks loose. We hit $20. I don't know. It's hard to tell. Let's see if we can at least close above 27. That would be a decent closing price. You deserve everything that happens to you when you buy AMC at 30 bucks. I mean, all you have to do is manage your position, cut your losses, have some stop losses so it doesn't get out of control. Sadly, Kyoto, very stupid of me, huh? The play was there, it was just horrible execution on the sell side. Oh, we got a Seeking Alpha. AMC dip 7%. CEO, CFO, and lit shares. I think Seeking Alpha is like anti AMC. Am I crazy? Or do I never see anything positive on Seeking Alpha about AMC? Like every headline is negative about AMC. And this is about Adam Aaron and Sean Goodman selling. Let me log into my account really quick to see what it is. Oh yeah, we talked about this. 312,000 shares at $30. Brings Adam Aaron a nice little proceeds of 9.65 million. 10b51. That leaves him with just under 96,000 shares. Although he also has some 3 million shares issuable on future vesting of equity grants. Meanwhile, the company also disclosed that CFO Sean Goodman, on Tuesday sold 18,316 shares at an average price of the same thing, 30.862. Adam Aaron's was 30.867, half a million worth. But I think Goodman has also sold like a 40 or 50. So I think he's a better trader. He's a better stock trader than Mr. Adam. That sale leaves him with zero beneficial direct ownership of company stock. His vest is what, 590,000 shares? Alpaca trolls me often on Twitter. That's how I know Trey watches. He replied really quick on my tweet, and I just replied with laughing emojis. But he was just throwing shade at me like a couple months ago because I said AMC was coming down, and it was actually popping up. It was right here. Or was it? Was it? It was no. It was like right here when AMC was at 46. Now it's at 27. He who laughs last the hardest. That's all I gotta say. It only takes one ticket on the rocket. But on that ticket to the rocket or to the moon, when's the date? I need to know. When is the date? I guess that's all he does though, Morantz. I think Trey pays him to troll people or to reply to the haters. All right, let's see the replies on this. Oh, it just came out, so there isn't any comments. But yeah, Seeking Alpha's, I've never seen like a positive article about AMC. So you also gotta keep that in mind. There it is, AMC 27. The price we want AMC to close above. We're testing that right now. Game's at 152. We got the McDonald's pattern forming here. 2706. 2020. Maybe we pop and Moaz happens on 2022. January 27th. All right, everybody. I think this will do the live stream today. 7:30. $27 for AMC, 153 for GameStop. I don't know if things are gonna go wild later. But if it does come down crashing, I'm obviously gonna have to cut my loss. GameStop 152, AMC 27. So I'm gonna plug in our free Discord. You guys could find us there. I got 2 more finals left, and I think those should be good. So I think we're looking at straight A's this semester, which I definitely needed because I don't have the highest GPA. That's gonna help. It's gonna help bump it up at least 1 point or 0.1. With that being said, it is Friday. Hopefully, you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Good weekend. Stay safe. It's a crazy world out there. Stay healthy. Go for a run. Go read a book. Go meditate. Do some yoga. Stretch out. When you go in on GME, I was thinking about that. Like if I go in on GME, I have to announce it, and I want to let you know first. And Rob, I want to let you guys know. I was thinking about buying GameStop. Like what was it like last when it really fell hard? Yeah, no, it wasn't yesterday. It was actually one of these dips here. Or I think it was the earnings dip. GameStop. Speaking of GameStop, we're coming down. But let's see. Support around 140s. We have yeah, it hasn't cracked like 140. Well, it has, but not like sold off under 140. 120s? Even just then, if it does crack to like 130, 120, there's gonna be a bounce back up. Just like there has been every single time it's dipped. I mean, look at this. We came to 116 and they had a rip back up to 221. Oh, yeah, Moran's just showing the Discord. Oh, he said yesterday that there's just so many chats he's in. It's just better to focus on one, and I agree. It's like with stocks. If you have 10 stocks, you're trying to balance and juggle. It's very difficult. You have to just have salient like focus and just look at one or a handful. One, two, three, four. All right, guys. I'll see you guys next week. I'll probably have a video over the weekend. I really don't know yet if there's any breaking news. Live next week, maybe Wednesday, Thursday, Tuesday, Friday. I don't know yet. I'll let you guys know on the Discord. Yeah, Elon sold another almost $1 billion worth of stock. So, let's see. I don't know. Oh my God, look at this. It's pulling back down. Maybe he's selling on these rips. We don't know. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys next week. Be safe, be well, and take care. Peace out, everybody.